Welcome back to another Quiltler 3 tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to cover a few different things. We're going to design a log cabin quilt block. It might not be perfect, but we're going to do our best. And we're going to cover a newer feature called fabric presets, or cut presets, or color presets. So you can use presets for any of these things, but we're going to use it with fabrics. So here in the library tab under fabrics, we're going to go ahead and tap this layer or preset button next to the plus button. And that's going to bring up our presets. So we'll go ahead and create our first preset, and we'll probably call this one, let's call it log cabin. We could call it something more to do with what the design is that we're trying to make, or the fabrics that we're combining, but it's really just a combination of fabrics or cuts or colors depending on what you're creating a preset for. So I'm going to go ahead and just select all of the fabrics that I want to include in my design, and that looks good. And so I've got 11 selected, and I'm going to go ahead and hit create. So now you'll see I've got this preset here, and it shows exactly what my preset is. I'm going to close that and go to home and go to my quilts, and I can actually look at my log cabin quilt block here that I've created. And what I'm going to do is there's several different ways to design this, but you'll see that I've got a lot of different fabrics here, but I only want my log cabin ones. So I've selected that, and now you can see that the fabric library is now limited to just those. So now on to designing this. I'm going to actually just go ahead and kind of design it very simply, which is to say that it just, we could either stretch each block out, or we could just place them one by one. So what I mean by stretch out is I could hit select, and this would work really good with colors, but not necessarily with fabrics. As you can see, as I stretch this out, you can see that it actually distorts the image. So I'm just going to go one by one on these. So I'm going to come back to paint, and I'm going to continue down the line here. And let's see, I've done those, and now I need this blue one. And we'll go with this sage vine. And now we'll go with, let's see, this one's a little bit darker color. And then we've got our clay orange, and the terracotta, and the sage eucalyptus, and then we'll just do one here, and I'll actually go with this midnight color here. And so now I've got a little bit of a log cabin here. It's not perfect, but that's the idea of how you use presets. So I hope you found this helpful, and please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and please let me know if there's anything else that we can do to improve Quiltler